Hello guys, welcome to another video in which you will get to learn a lot. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourselves. Today we are trading in Australian dollar versus US dollar and generate good profit. Here I will explain you with proper technical analysis how to draw the right trend line, so that you can prepare your setup step by step. Now I place the trade. Guys, our trade has been applied. $1,200 have been deposited in our account, which will try to grow well. Now our loss is running above $100. Let's see how long we can convert it into profit. We have applied sell trade here because a very good selling opportunity has been created here. The market is running in a strong downtrend for the last 5 days, but for the last 15 days, the market was running in a strong uptrend. Let me explain to you through trend channel. The market was moving up, taking strong support on this trend line, where we will get to see the perfect higher low point here. We will create the first uptrend channel. By then we will clearly know how the market changes its trend. Take another trend line and connect it with the same angle on higher high points, so that we get the perfect higher high point. This trend line is acting as resistance. Here's our trend channel doing just fine, where we can easily see higher high points. The market gave a breakout with a strong candle at this point, due to which the market changed its trend, and now it is continuously going down. Here we have got more selling signals, due to which the chances of our trade being profitable have increased. Now we create another trend channel, which will be on the side of the downtrend. The market has created lower high points on this trend line, due to which the market has created resistance points on the trend line. This trend line is working perfect. Take another trend line and connect it to the lower high point, who is supporting this will give us an idea of how far the market can go. Now merge both the trend channels together, by which you will know in a good way how the pattern is formed while changing the market trend. Let us now draw the support resistance level, which is very important. For this I am taking the rectangle tool. At this level we will see multiple support resistance points, which is also created in uptrend channel and also created in downtrend channel. All these points are very important for setting stop loss and target. You can see multiple resistance points have been created at these points, where the market has repeatedly reversed. In future also we will see similar points. Here also you can see that the market took resistance first, later broke this level and made support, due to which resistance become support pattern is being created here. A support become resistance pattern has also been created at this point. This shows that this level is very strong, due to which it is getting reverse again and again at the same level. Here the market has just created a double top, which you can clearly see in the chart. This is a strong indication that the market will go down from here, because a strong reversal pattern has been created here. Such patterns are always formed near the support resistance level. Now we set stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be 22 pips above the strong support resistance level. If the trend line breakout occurs, our stop loss will be hit, whose chances are less. And my target point is 44 pips down. This target will remain here where the market has reversed earlier also. This can be a strong support resistance level of the market. Guys, we have come in profit. Let's see how long you can grow this account. We are following risk management here so that we can manage the trade easily. Guys, all our work is complete. We have tried our best to draw the correct level. Now let's see how the market reacts. The market is going down. Now we wait patiently for the target or stop loss to be hit. We are following gun strategy here, from which we can predict which direction the market will take. See you guys after some time. Subscribe if you are new to the channel.
Gonna die on this hill, be ready to
A few moments later.
You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top classy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an inch, man, I'm making. Oh, I'll keep my head down and
Very nice profit, guys. The market respected our setup. The market reacted to the same level as we drew the level and gave a good move towards the down. All our levels here were perfect draws so that we can reach our target. Our target has not been hit yet, so we cannot close the trade because it would be against our rules. Let's wait for the target to hit. Guys, our target is hit. Followed your own rules properly. we captured a great move. What we expected. The market had earlier tried to come near the target, but no, this time our goal has been achieved. Here we will draw another strong level where the market is now. The market reversed with a strong move at this level. Reverse here again, because this is a strong level. Now two conditions are being created here, in which the market can break it and go down. In the first condition, which has less chance, because the market has already given a good move. In the second condition, the market can go up by taking support from here, whose chance is high. Now let's close the trade. Guys, our profit is running above $2,000. We increased our account from $1,200 to $3,400, which is a good return. We stick to our setup, never break your rules, so that we can achieve our goal. You can easily do that too. Like if you like the video, subscribe if you are new to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.